I forgot to put... Hi y'all, welcome back to Amber's Diamond Painting. This is Amber, this is me, and we have an unboxing, and this comes from, she's on Facebook. Her name is Dawn Herman, and you can reach her, it's Shimmering Canvas, but that is her first and last name. So just look up her first and last name on Facebook to get this. I haven't looked, guys. I don't know what's in here. I just opened it because I struggle open these boxes. Like, I usually need help because of my hands. But what I first see is this. Ooh, that's velvet. And then, ooh, you guys, I got a mini set. What else do we got? Okay, so it looks like she's gonna samples of rhinestones. So there's light peach and then topaz. Ooh, those are pretty. Thank you. And then she gives us an inventory sheet of all the DMC colors that I got that was included in this set. And also she's given y'all a code. So she's giving you the code. When you use a code, you'll get 10% off using my code, y'all. Yay! I'll put that in the description. Okay, I'm so excited. What is this? I know I didn't order anything extra, guys. Maybe it comes with these? Ooh, we got a Polymer clay pen. Sweet. And that is... what placer is that? Like a 9? I don't know. But let me see. Look at how beautiful that is. It's got sparkles all in it. It's so pretty. Thank you so much. And there's another one, guys. Ooh, look at this one. Well, you can't see because those it wants to focus on those drills. Look how pretty those are. Thank you. I love both of them so much. It's got the big chunky glitter in it. And this one has a straightener. Thank you so much, love. That's amazing. And it's amazing that she's given you guys 10% off your order using my code. That's awesome. She's awesome. Let's take a look at these diamonds. These are all square ABs. Sorry, y'all. My grandsons were in here and they say that they were going to be quiet, but then they started laughing. Because I said it was so funny. I don't know what was so funny. Look at all these, guys. Oh my gosh. This is a delight. Oh my goodness. Look at all that goodness. Oh, I'm in heaven. Okay, so 160. This is a gray medium, gray blue medium. Aren't those pretty? Yay! Y'all, I'm so excited. Okay, we can't take too much time on each one. We've got some cornflower blue, very dark. It's got the metallic. AB is Aurora Borealis. Ooh, grape. That one's pretty. I love that one. And that is the see how it has, it's not the drills, y'all, it's stuff in there, I think. I hope that's not on these drills. I'll have to tell her if it is. It might be on that drill. I don't know what those are. You see that? It's on all the drills though. I'll have to let her know. Coca Light. That's such a pretty color. Oh my goodness, I'm in love. I'm in heaven right now, y'all. 211. Lavender. Oh, it's so pretty. Wish you guys could see him better. So hard to get ABs to show sometimes. Pretty. 970. Pumpkin. Remember, this is the color I say is pumpkin spice. So pretty. Oh my gosh. I love them. Then I have an announcement to make. This is 208. 208, gotta represent. But I have an announcement to make after this, after I show these. 210. So gorgeous, you guys. So excited. Ooh, canary. Isn't that pretty? That looks like gold. That is gorgeous. We've got baby pink, 818. So pretty. Y'all, I'm in love. Sea green. So pretty. Golden yellow. Such gorgeous colors. Flesh. Like a peachy tone. We got black brown. Baby pink, 819. This is even lighter than the other one. Ooh, what's this? 815. I thought so. One of my favorite DMC. Yay! $8.20. So pretty. Parrot green. So gorgeous. Baby blue. These are gorgeous. Coffee brown. So excited. Electric blue, 995. Is this 550? Yep. Show gray. Ooh, is this like a 602? I was gonna say that. I should have said it before I picked it up. So pretty. This is gonna be 7 something or 9 something, I think. 718. I'm getting good with my colors, guys. Oh, I got a cute little drill. That's cute. I got an extra little surprise in that one. Cute. I want to use that. 743. 444. No. Mia. 939. 209. Ooh, what are these? Lemon. They're like jellies. They're like the jelly ones. I've never had these. Oh my gosh. These are so cool. I imagine these are what the jelly ones are like. These are cool looking. Those are cool. 304 Christmas Red. 741 Tangerine. 3806. So pretty. They're fighting. I'm sorry, guys. Aquamarine. It's my birthstone. 310. Parrot green. Steel gray. So pretty. Beaver gray. Blue violet. This is pretty. I love this one. Oh, I know. That's one of my favorite drills. I know what this one is. Baby blue. Melon. $7.40 is tangerine. Antique blue. $3.21 Christmas red. Cranberry, very light. $6.05. 996 electric blue. Christmas red, 666 light. Did you also even see that? We got dusty rose. Topaz, very light, 727. Lemon light, 445 is a DMC code. So pretty, you guys. Chartreuse. Christmas green, 701. 742. Light tangerine. We got white. Sky blue. Glow in the dark. Nice. So that, again, look at all these. And y'all, you get a lot of colors. And I can't remember exactly how many are in here, but there's quite a few. You know what I mean? You get quite a few drills in here. And so all these, where'd that paper go? Oh, whoops. But look at all these. I just went through all those colors. There's like 50 something colors, y'all. Let me see. All these colors. Got all those colors, and and then you get the pins, and it was only $98, y'all. And you guys will get 10% off of anything you order using my code. Okay, so I'm gonna put these off to the side because, y'all, I forgot to show you the rest of my Diamond Art Club, I think. I don't even know which ones I showed, which ones I didn't, if I showed them all. This is the amber one they have. But isn't those pretty? So pretty. Love it. Yeah, I don't remember which ones I showed, which ones I didn't. That's the topaz one. I know I showed this one, I think. I know I showed the lemon lime. I'm not sure if I had shown this one. Isn't that pretty? This is the lemon lime one. So pretty. Okay, so I just wanted to make sure I showed all those pins. And then, thank you so much, Dawn. Oh, and then I got my Craftably order. I not only got my order, but I got my drills that I needed. And then, you guys, so the news is me and Mariah, I'm sorry, y'all. Mariah and I are doing a collab, you guys. And we opened up our Facebook group for everybody, not just creators, which is so exciting, y'all. That's what we just wanted to do because I was thinking, I was like, you know, it's cool to have just creators, but I want everybody to be able to there and get and to talk and get to know each other. And we both agreed. So then when we decided to do this collaboration, we're like, well, this is the time to do it. Let's open up our Facebook. So you just have to answer the few questions, and then you're in the group, guys. And it's A, and then the and, so it's A and sign, M, creative journeys. I'll put that in the description. And you, so our collab we're doing, it's gonna be hashtag love with a capital L for Micah, capital M. And I'll put that in the description too. We would prefer you guys to do Micah Jelena paintings, but if not, any Diamond Art Club, because Micah Jelena works with Diamond Art Club. So, let's bring these back so you guys can have something to look at besides just nothing. But, so it's going on from February 1st till March 31st. So that's 2 months, y'all. And, you have to send your kitted up painting. You can do it whenever. You don't have to have it in by, February 1st or February 5th or nothing. You can submit it whenever you would like to. You just, of course, can't submit it on the last day, of course. But, so yeah, we'd prefer a Micah painting, but since she is an artist with only DAC, we'll allow DAC also. So anything DAC, preferably Micah Jelena's. You have to be subscribed to both me and Crazy Diamonds. And then we're going to have multiple giveaways throughout this collab, guys. Multiple. And then, what's good is also I know there's other collabs going on that are going to be starting. So you guys can join in on, but you do have to send us a picture on our Facebook page, the A&M, of it, a new start kitted up, and that's gonna be so much fun. And then we're gonna go live next Saturday, the 30th. We're gonna go live. Me and Mariah and I are gonna go live next Saturday the 30th, and we're gonna kit up Adeline because we're both doing Adeline. This is so amazing, you guys. We're so excited. We're both so excited. This is my first collab, official collab. It's gonna be so much fun. So many giveaways. It's gonna be so fun, you guys. We can't wait. We're so excited. And yeah. So I hope you liked everything, you guys. I love them. I'm definitely going to be ordering more. Definitely. I am in love. I'm in awe. So thank you so much, Dawn. And I'll put my code in the description. I'll put the hashtag in the description. Our YouTube channel in the description. And everything I need to will be listed in the description. I've got paintings too. Unbox right now. I got my Craftably order in, yay! And it's been Happy Mail today. So thank y'all so much. I love each and every one of you. I do see that I do have new subscribers. Welcome, y'all. Welcome. And also returning, welcome everybody. Hi. For everybody, my ride or dies, thank you so much. I love y'all. For me, Mia, and Marshall, we love you guys. Bye, guys.